Wagwan, it's Lika J. Thank you for tuning in. This segment of my channel is called Styl'inThrift Transformations, where I'll be showing you how to transform all of those old thrift finds into today's modern day wear, doing this all while still on a budget. In today's DIY, I'll be showing you how I transformed this men's button-down shirt into a ruffle off the shoulder top. I first saw this top on Davina Bennett and thought it was really cute and unique, so I wanted to try it out myself. So to get started, place the shirt on a flat surface, mark the top off so you can cut the shoulder off. Once you've cut the top off, then go ahead and mark and cut the bottom off as well, based on how short you want the crop top to be. Before doing any more cutting, I'm just going to use my seam ripper and take the pocket off, and this step is optional, but I just didn't personally want the pocket on the shirt. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut both sleeves off. As you can see, the bottom of the material I marked because I want the crop top to be a little bit shorter. And then at the top to the two sides, I've cut out markings for my arm. If you are not sure where to put markings at, you can use an old shirt just to be sure. Using that same outline to cut the back part of the shirt. Now I'm going to cut out the ruffles from the bottom of the shirt that I already cut off. So I'm just trying to get a straight line straight across 4 inches wide. In order to get the ruffles in the top, I'm just going to use a elastic band, place that in the middle of the 4-inch material, and it'll give it the gather. Once I have that, then I'm going to go ahead and pin it on the top of the shirt so I can use that as a guide to sew it on. I've added the ruffles to the top, then I can put the zip on the back of the shirt. If you liked how this DIY turned out, then don't forget to press the thumbs up button and please share and subscribe.